Good morning everyone. Today we're doing Langkawi's island hopping tour. I think there's only one that includes the Pregnant Maiden. The Pregnant Maiden is the mountains that look like a pregnant lady.
Lying down, yeah.
Lying down.
Then we're going to go to Pregnant Maiden's Lake. Then we're going to go to the eagle feeding. And then straight after that it is one of the islands called like a beach basically.
Yeah.
We'll go relax there.
It's a 4-hour excursion. Pick up from our hotel.
Pick up and drop off, which is
And
really
drop
good.
off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not all of them offer that, so do look out for that one because it's pretty convenient. This doesn't include lunch, by the way.
No
so
lunch. So bring water.
have your breakfast.
Bring food with you.
Yeah.
Now we're in Dayang Bunting, which is a geoforest park.
Yeah.
Where we get to go in the lake and just chill here for an hour and a half, hour 20 minutes. Entrance fee is 6 ringgit per adult. There are lockers available at a charge, and kayak rental for half an hour ranges from 20 to 45 minutes. On this space. Your pocket's empty?
Huh?
Make your pocket's empty. Very nice. Hello, we're broken now. How is it? Fresh?
It's fresh.
Yeah.
Bit cold
It's nice though, isn't it?
Mm.
So, this is the Pregnant Maiden's Bay. Is that what it's called?
Pregnant Maiden's Lake. Not Bay.
Lake or Bay, same thing.
Bay.
It is very crowded, to be fair. A lot of the videos that we saw online, it wasn't as busy, but I think we're in peak season now, so yeah.
I think kids are broken up for Christmas.
Yeah, a lot of kids.
Everyone's travelling.
Oh, it's nice and fresh. last bit of the tour. The beach is actually really busy.
The water's alright, it's not amazing.
Water's, yeah, it's clear in some places, but
A bit muggy in others.
I'm just going to go enjoy the beach. Just go find a quiet place.
And have a drink.
Have a drink. We did the 9 AM excursion, and I'm guessing because we did the early one, the tide's quite low.
Yeah.
I'm thinking in the afternoon the tide will be a lot higher, but for now, if you do the early one, a lot of rocks everywhere, so bring water shoes. If you do plan on going out, you have to go quite far out to actually get into the water, which gets quite deep. The jetty that we came on was horrendously packed, people coming in and out.
It's very disorganised.
Yeah.
Really.
It's basically first come first serve, so if your boat can squeeze in when there's been boats waiting for ages, your boat can just do it. For example, our boat just dived straight into the jetty while there were like people just watching us offload the boat while they're waiting there for ages.
Chilling now, we had a drink.
We're here for an hour and 10 minutes. There's not a lot to do. There is a few food and drink places. Got some lemon water and a cold coffee, which is quite nice actually.
Yeah.
You can order food. There's sell burgers and hot dogs and stuff like that. Obviously water. So if you are hungry or thirsty, you can buy stuff here. Costs us around 22 ringgit for 3 drinks. So it's not too bad.
Just gonna chill now.
Okay, just relax and just enjoy the rest of the day and head back. So, just a quick FYI, do come in the afternoon if you want to enjoy this beach. The tide is coming in as we're leaving. And we did go in the water for a bit and it was really nice. It's nice and warm. So, yeah.
Water shoes as well.
There's a lot of
rocks.
Some coral. But you can navigate around it, but you're never too sure what's underneath the sand. So, bring water shoes.
Better. You could go further into the water with the water shoes.
But if you just want to enjoy the water,
Yeah, if you just want
and then want to enjoy a beach, a day out on the beach or a couple of hours on the beach, then do this tour in the afternoon.
people swimming, floating over here.
Having fun.
We headed back to the jetty for about 1 o'clock and got back to our hotel about 1:45. If you have the time to fit this in your itinerary, then give it a go. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, keep up to date by pushing the notification bell.